Hello and welcome back. Today, we'll be dissecting the Realme C61 step by step. Before we start, let's take a moment to appreciate the C61's design. It comes in a sparkle gold color with a radiant design, featuring a 3D mirror-like light effect on the back for added visual appeal. Now, let's move on to check the model details. Alright, it's time to get to work. Heat the back cover for a few minutes to loosen the adhesive. Use a thin tool to carefully create a small gap along the edges. Slide a card around the edges to fully separate the back cover. Once the back cover is off, remove all the screws securing the middle frame. Place a dust-proof sticker on the back camera. Remove the SIM tray. Carefully remove the middle frame. It has flex cables connected to the motherboard. Remove the volume and power buttons from the middle frame. Then disconnect the battery and screen flex cables. Remove the back camera. Remove the front camera next. Detach the coaxial cable. Remove the speaker assembly. Gently lift the charging port board. Then remove the vibrator. Lift the motherboard from one corner. Remove the earpiece speaker from its position. Apply a little alcohol along the battery edges to loosen the adhesive. Lift the battery carefully. Remove the flex cables for the volume and power buttons. Finally, heat the screen to loosen the adhesive. Use a suction cup to create a gap and slide a card to separate the screen. And that's it for the Realme C61 Teardown. At the end of this video, we've included links to more teardown content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.